To quickly turn on flashlight on the Huawei Watch Fit 4, let me quickly show you how you can do this. You can quickly turn on flashlight by simply pressing this down button on the side of the phone, and as you can see, it quickly enables the flashlight. And right now I will quickly show you how you can do this. First of all, you'll have to go into the settings. So let's go into the settings right here, and from here you'll have to scroll down until you find the down button. Let's go in there, and in this down button you have to select press once, and from here you have to find in this list the flashlight. It is almost all the way down on this list available, so you will simply have to select the flashlight, and this basically is the shortcut to perform any action or enable the turn on the application actually from all of this list. So simply by pressing this switch, like anytime, the shortcut will work and you will be able to enable this flashlight quickly or perform any other action however you like.